5 battered stocks to buy after October share market correction. Stocks to buy. The negative momentum may not turn around immediately, but these 5 stocks are all attractive from 1-year perspective, Emkay Global said. While the NSE benchmark Nifty has corrected 6% from their 52-week highs. Emkay Global has picked 5 stock ideas that look attractive after the recent fall. The negative momentum may not turn around immediately, but these 5 stocks are all attractive from 1-year perspective, the brokerage said. IndusInd Bank Limited Bank is temporary. This is not a classical down cycle that wipes out large parts of the book. The bank's decision to sacrifice growth rather than compromise on credit standards is an overlooked positive, it said. 2. The auto book should see better traction in H2 FY25. The NPL orders, but it is more of a seasoning factor than a major asset quality crisis, Emkay said. 3. Also, the deposit franchise has held through the last 1-2M despite a hostile operating environment. We expect improved growth as the RBI eases liquidity. Stock is available. Worst case scenario on asset quality and growth. As both normalize, there is scope for significant re-rating, it said. Sarigama India Limited 1. The stock seems to have negatively reacted to the company losing out on the bid to acquire Dharma Productions. That is a good thing, asset-heavy, low-margin business which would have hurt Sarigama's balance sheet and return ratios. 3. The long-term prospects for the music licensing business is robust. The penetration of paid users, at below 3%, has significant upside. There are lumpy costs for it not be the best way to look at this business, it said. 4. Sarigama stock has corrected 26% from its peak and is now at 30x 1-year forward multiple, Emkay said. The stock is supported by consistent and rising ROIC of over 20% and steady OCF. Escorts Kubota Limited 1. The Escorts stock recently corrected following the divestment of its railway equipment division to Sana BLW, as the valuation at which it sold appeared to be lower than expected. 2. However, this may present a buying opportunity given the positive agricultural outlook and favorable industry base that could support a tractor upcycle, which we believe may start from H2 FY25, Emkay said. 3. Additionally, Escort's strategic initiatives in product expansion, channel development, and increased capacity to address opportunities in India and export market India, are likely to support mid to long-term growth. 4. The stock has corrected 18% from its peak and trades at 24x core SEP 26 EPEVs 27x for MNM, supported by 16% EPS CAGR. Indiana FY25 E27 ed. Hero Motocorp Limited 1. Emkay said the 2W cycle is not done yet. Structural issues like high penetration notwithstanding, the sector is coming out of a 5-year down cycle. 2. Emkay does not see the upswing dying out in 2 to 3 years. 3. This, and that benefits HMCL more than others. 4. Channel checks suggest strong festive demand, so the weak 2Q numbers look like an aberration. 5. The stock is now at a very reasonable 18x 1YF, and with a promising 2HFY25 looming, this looks Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services Limited 1. Emkay said Mahindra Finance's CEO Rahul Rabello is strengthening the business with improved credit delivery and controls. 2. It sees a credible path to 2.5% return on asset ROA, even if it takes some time to get there. 3. Positive that will strengthen the business and reduce ROA volatility. 4. The recent clean-up of the book, a long-term positive, provoked a sell-off that has brought the stock to an attractive 1.5x PBV. 5. We see a strong re-rating opportunity, even if it takes some time.